Hi, hello, my photography friends. I just wanted to give you guys a little weekly preview of what your week is going to look like. So, listed below are all of the assignments for this week. We're going to start the week out with a little history of photography, seeing how it has progressed throughout time. Then we're also going to dive into the camera themselves. So, talking about the camera obscura and how it's progressed into the camera phone. Your next assignment you will see is a principles of art matching. So the principles of art are something very fundamental for every art class to start with. They apply to all art mediums. So this is a good, revisit or introduction possibly to what the principles are. And then your last assignment for the week is show me your photos. So please take this as an opportunity to show me what you like taking photographs of. Maybe submit a photo you feel was very successful. And if you by chance don't have any that you can show me something, a photograph that is a fond memory of yours and something that you would like to share. All right, so I hope you guys have fun with these assignments this week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And I do hope to see every single one of you at live class on Thursday. All right, take care.